How to connect OctaFX to TradingView. Open the OctaFX app or log into your OctaFX account on the website. Go to Accounts and make sure you have an MT4 or MT5 trading account, since these platforms connect smoothly with TradingView tools. If you don't have one, tap Create Account and choose MT4 or MT5. Copy your logging number, password, and server name. You'll need these in the next step. Now, open TradingView. Tap Chart, then select Trading Panel at the bottom. Scroll down and look for MetaTrader. Choose Connect under MT4/MT5. Enter your OctaFX login details, your account number, your trading password, and your OctaFX server. Tap Connect. TradingView will now link to your MT4/MT5 account, and any trades you place through TradingView will execute through OctaFX. You can open, close, and manage positions right from the chart using all of TradingView's tools. And that's how you connect OctaFX to TradingView in 2025. Quick, smooth, and perfect for chart-based trading. Thanks for watching.